How to build the mailing list in Squarespace. So in order to build the mailing list, you first need to head over right here into your Squarespace website. And from in there, head over right here to the marketing option. So you can just utilize in here this left sidebar, or you can also click onto the settings. Now in here, you can find the marketing. And from in there, you can see these options. So for this case, you can see some meta pixels, or you can also utilize this domains and email. Now for this case, you can also utilize this search bar and search in here for contacts. Here is the contacts right here. So it's under this right there, under the email campaigns. And in here, we can actually import existing list, add individual subscriber, or to build a mailing list from scratch, we can add a promotional pop-up. So you have in here these methods to build a mailing list. For this case, let's head over and then add a promotional pop-up. You can click on this right here, and you will be redirected to this next part wherein you can actually edit the pop-up overlay. Click onto this promotional pop-up and choosing here the kind of pop-up that you want. I have in here this layout. Then make sure to enable this, and this is what it would look like. Once people actually enter their email address, this will build an email list for us. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.